Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you how the way you can get a new background for your photo with the Photoshop but in mobile phone. So first let's just find the background that we want to use for the new picture here. You just need to open your Pinterest to get a lot of background inspiration. So you can just tap into the search button and then you just need to type the backgrounds that you want to get. I will let you get the galaxy background, so tap the galaxy and then just go click search. There could be like a lot of galaxy picture right here, you can see it, and then you just need to go click one of them and save this. Okay, perfect. And the next you just open the PicsArt application. And the next is just go tap into this plus button and pick the picture that you want to change the background. Okay, I already got the pictures here. Just go right away, swipe these sections in the bottom set here until you get the cutout, tap cutout, and then just tap person and then go click save. Now we just download this picture. Now we already got the picture without the background here. And the next, you just need to open your Photoshop on your mobile phone. It could be PS Express. So make sure that you got this application on your phone, and then you just need to click to open this Adobe Photoshop Express on your mobile phone. And the next, you just need to creating the photo by tapping into this photo editor, and then you just need to pick the background first that you got from the Pinterest. And the next, you just need to take a look on this bottom feature. Swipe into the left side until you got this combine and tap into the combine, and you just need to go click combine photos. And then you just need to confirm it and then pick the picture that we already added with the PicsArt back down. And then you just need to adjust in it. Okay, and now you already got this looks, and next thing you need to do is just go tap into this area to download it. So now you're done. You already got the new picture with a new background. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you for the next video.